I believe you guys are already aware of the Beecoin Airdrop worth over $300 and ZKPassport Airdrop. So you get to mint a ZKPassport for free, and it's not yet time for claiming, and you see everything there. And Beecoin Airdrop is currently worth 300 plus. How did I know this? Is this a lie? Is this true? So how am I going to believe it? Where is the proof? People have been posting different things on Twitter, on YouTube. So where is the proof? So I've claimed the airdrop already. So in case you want to claim the airdrop, you can check my YouTube channel for the link, my previous videos for the link. I'm going to drop a link in this video description so it will be quite easy for you to locate. So where is the proof? I've imported my MetaMask to my OKX wallet. So let's move over to OKX wallet. This is OKX. All right. So you can see in my portfolio right here, I have B at the top. So the airdrop is still ongoing. And in case you've read on my Twitter page, you can see in 24 hours, 13,000 people has minted this. 13,000 new members, new 13,000. So if you want to meet a ZNS domain name, I got a tutorial for you. And you want to participate in the airdrop of claiming over, you can see it, I claim 1 million Bitcoin. 1 million Bitcoin. And that 1 million Bitcoin is currently worth $336. I've tried to swap it, but they've not yet launched because the airdrop is still ongoing. So I got a message that they have a problem with the contract address. So because it's not set yet. So why this get meeting that they have only 100 billion total supply. So if you have a ZKSYNC domain name, or if you don't have, you can mint it right now and participate or take part in this airdrop that is ongoing. So guys, don't miss out. This is real. You can see the value yourself. Let me click on it again. You can see the value yourself is 1 million. And also you can share my video to your friends, like, subscribe, and also follow me on Twitter. So on this video you see my Twitter handle here, so it's quite easy to locate. And there's a Telegram channel on the description of this video, so you can join to get access to legit airdrop easily. So all right, so I only post legit airdrop, only legit, 100% legit. All right, don't forget to like, follow, share this video. All right, if you have any question and you're confused about something that needs clarification, do well to reach out to me. And you can see right now, this B is currently the biggest coin I have right now on this my portfolio here on this particular account. So don't forget, don't miss out. I will drop a link on how you can participate on them, so do ensure you use my referral link also. Thank you. If you like what I do, you can read through my video, the descriptions, and you want to gift me, you are very free to do so. All right. So see you guys on my next video. Always check me out.